Okay, another problematic movement is anything that involves rotation or twisting. It's so common people, they go to, let's say, for instance, you got a weed that you want to pull out of the ground. So in this case here, I got this weed here, or actually this might be a flower. Don't tell my wife. I'm going to pull one of these out of the ground. We'll be quiet. We'll keep this a secret here. So what people would tend to want to do is just kind of turn their body or twist their spine. When you're twisting that spine, you're creating a lot of force on it or torsion on the spine. So what you're going to want to learn how to do is how to move through your core while keeping your spine stable. So you're actually, when you're turning, like when I had you guys holding the bags or the rocks, and you were turning to go put it down, you weren't twisting your upper body. You were turning your feet and then walking and then putting it down. You weren't rotating or putting any force on that spine. So same thing here is what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull. Actually, I'll go from this side. I got my core tight, and I'm going to pull and turn as one unit here. So I'm not rotating that spine and putting a lot of force on it. So I'm actually stepping and turning. Step and turn. So my hips and my shoulders move at the same time. Ooh, I gotta hide this. All right, so that's one thing, or one technique that you're gonna wanna be aware of not twisting in. Another one is you got your cart, right? So, a lot of times people, grab the cart by one hand and they pull and they start twisting their upper spine. So what you're going to want to make sure that you do is when you're pushing or pulling this cart, that your core is tight and that you are turning as one unit to get the best leverage as you can as you move that cart. Instead of, reaching and flexing and then pulling that cart here, I just flex my spine, and now I'm twisting my spine. You're going to want to think of that spine as one unit, and you're bracing the whole time, whether you're pushing or pulling this cart, whatever direction that you're going in. The other thing is to keep it as close to your body as possible and use your legs to drive through the ground and not pulling with only your upper body. Okay? So there's two cases there. So you got that, you're pulling that weed out of the ground. It may be even from, let's say, a kneeling position where you're pulling, but you're keeping that core tight, or it could be double kneeling, or even in this position, you're pulling a weed. You don't want to twist that upper body. You want to keep that core tight, bracing those abdominals. So there you have it, some what I call anti-rotational bracing strategies to prevent lower back pain when you have to twist through your core.